Isabela Governor Rodito Albano said the province deserves more flood control projects, citing its high flood risk. Meanwhile, Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernando insisted that the DPWH carried out flood projects without coordinating with the provincial government. More in this report.
Isabela Governor Rodito Albano expressed disappointment over President Bongbong Marcos's list of provinces with the most flood control projects. Although Isabela ranked third with 341 since 2022, Albano said the province should have received more funding, highlighting its vulnerability to flooding.
Masama loob ko dyan eh. Kasi dapat, instead of number 3 kami dyan sa list, dapat kami naging number 1 eh. Kasi talagang flood-prone ang Isabela. Isabela at Cagayan. Ano? We're talking of real projects. Kung real itong mga to, pero kung ghost yung mga yan, ay ibang usapan na yun. You have to understand. We have the Cagayan River. Ang Cagayan River, ang pinakamahabang river sa buong Pilipinas.
In an interview with Storycon, he stressed that local governments have no final say in how these projects are carried out, as decisions in funding come from higher authorities.
Bakit kami sisisihin? Unang-una, hindi nanggaling sa amin yung pondo. Pangalawa, hindi kami nag-determine yan. Siyempre, ang nagde-determine yan yung national government. Hindi kami pwedeng sisihin ng mga tao dyan sa mga flood control projects na yan. Kasi alam nila hindi sa amin yan.
Albano added that he is willing to speak up for local contractors involved, urging an end to the ongoing blame game. Meanwhile, Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernando told a big story that flood control projects in the province are carried out by the Department of Public Works and Highways without coordinating with the provincial government. Fernando said he issued an executive order requiring all DPWH projects in Bulacan to be approved through the provincial capital. He also admitted being surprised by incomplete and substandard flood control work in the province.
Hindi po sinabit sa amin ng mga project na yan. Kaya hindi namin alam kung saan yung mga project na yan. Nagawa po ulit ako ng executive order na lahat ng mga project ng national government, ng mga DPWH, yadaan muna sa amin.